Hello friends, online lecture series. The SND College of Engineering and Research Center Yeola. The subject of data structure and algorithm. Unit number 6, indexing and multi-way tree. Myself Professor Saukar Dhanashri, Department of Computer, SND College of Engineering and Research Center Yeola. The topic will be covered up in this lecture, indexing. The types of index is a primary index, secondary index and clustering index. The primary index are two subtypes, dense and sparse. First, primary index. The primary index is an ordered file which is fixed length, size with two fields, primary key and pointed data block respectively. In the primary index, there is always one-to-one relationship between the entire in the file index table. The primary index is divided into two parts, dense index and sparse index. Dense index is in a index a record is created for every search key value in database. This index help with you search faster. In indexing method, record contain search key value and point to record on the desk. Sparse index, it is an index record that appears for only some of the values in the file. Sparse index helps you to resolve the issue of dense indexing. Here, range of index comments store the same data block address, and when data needs to be retrieved, the block address will be fetched. However, sparse index stores index record for some search key values. It needs less space, less maintenance overhead for insertion and deletion, but it is slower compared to the dense index for locating records. Multi-way index. The multi-way index is created when a primary index does not fit in memory. In this type of indexing method, you can reduce the number of disk access to sort any record and keep on disk as a sequential file and create parse based on the file. Secondary indexing. The secondary index can be generated by a file which has a unique value for each record, and it should be a candidate key. It is also known as non-clustering index. This two-level database indexing technique is used to reduce the mapping size of the first level. For the first level, a large range of numbers is selected because of this, the mapping size always remaining small. Clustering index. In a clustered index record, themselves are stored in an index and not pointers. Sometimes the index is created on non-primary keys, columns which might not be unique for each record. In such situation, you can group two or more columns to get the unique value and create an index which is called as clustered index. This also helps you identify the record faster. Difference between index sequential file and direct access file. First, desired the record can be obtained using the index which is maintained in a separate file, and direct access file is desired record can be obtained using the hash key. The hash key is written by an hash function. Index sequential file insertion and deletion operation can be performed by simple index manipulation, and direct access file on insertion or deletion of record collision may occur, hence the collision handling technique are required. Third, variable length record are allowed. Next, record length must be fixed. Next, the index key is obtained using primary key of the record. Hash key is obtained by passing primary key of the record to the hash function. Records are arranged sequentially in the master file, and record can be arranged randomly. This is arranged influenced by a hash key. It is less efficient or it is more efficient. Linked organization. A linked organization differs from sequential organization essential in that the logical sequence of record generally different from the physical sequence. In sequential, ith record is placed at random location. The I plus 1 string record place is I plus C, where C is length of I record or some fixed constant. In link organization, next logical record is obtained by following link value from the present record, linking in order of increasing a primary key. SS insertion and deletion. Searching for a particular record in difficult since no index is available, so only sequential search possible. We can facilitate index by maintaining indexes corresponding to range of the employee numbers. For example, 501, 700, 710, 900, all records with same range will be linked together in a list. We can generally this idea for secondary key level also. We just set up index for each key and allow the record be more than one list lead to the multi-list structure for file representation. This is structure. Thank you friends for watching this video.